Okay, quiz 1, question 3. I made a copy of the question and it's right here. An amount of $6,290 is deposited into an account earning 8% interest compounded quarterly. How much will be in the account 6 years and 6 months, in 6 years and 6 months? Round the answer to the nearest cent. So what we are required to do here is how much will be in the account in 6 years and 6 months. That is the future value. So we will be computing the future value right here. Okay, so let's make some sense out of the data we were given. 6,290 is deposited, so that 6,290 would be the present value. Okay, so the present value is equal to, you could put it in as negative, all right, 6,290, because it's left the possession of the individual, so that you could say it's an outlay or an output, or anyway, it's out. Okay, so earning 8% interest compounded quarterly. So interest, that would be IY would be 8. All right, and there we are. So those are the numbers that will go into the calculator, and it's compounded quarterly. So quarterly is what tells us that the amount or the value will have PY is equal to CY is equal to 4. Okay, so there we are. Those are the numbers for PY and CY. How much will be in the account 6 years and 6 months in 6 years and 6 months? Okay, so that is a bit of information that we need to work with. Now, what we have to do is to convert, all right, convert 6 years and 6 months to years. Okay, so that would be equal to what? Well, we'll take the 6 months. All right, we have to divide that by 12 and then we add it to the 6 years. And if we do it correctly, we should get 6.5 years. Okay, so that is the number of years that we will be using, all right, to get N. Okay, let's put up the calculator. All right, so we can enter some numbers in here. PY is 4 and C, okay, I guess it's taking a little time to react. Now here would be 4 times how much? 6.5, and that would give us, it should give us 26. Anyway, we could check that with the calculator. IY is 8, and that's the 8 right up here. Okay, present value is 6290, so let's put it in as negative 6290. Payment is 0, and the future value we are computing. All right. Okay, so let's go to the calculator now. All right, let's keep everything visible so we can see the numbers. Okay, so second IY, that gives us the PY value, which we are entering, and that value is 4. PY is 4, CY is 4. So we go 4 and we enter PY, and we go down and we see that is also the value for CY. So we will quit or exit the menu. So quit is second CPT, and we're out of there. Now we have to go to calculate the value for N, all right? And we use the 6.5, so 6.5, that's the number of years. We go second N, that multiplied by PY. It's usually PY we're multiplying by, but I told you that it will be multiplied by CY because at this stage, CY makes more sense to you. All right, it's compounded. You see the word compounded quarterly as it relates to the C, but it actually does as time goes on, you will meet questions where PY and CY are not the same, and the multiplier is indeed PY. Okay, so we went second N. Okay, we hit N again, and that gives us the 26. So I'll go over that again. So 6.5 is the number of years, as you see right up here. And then second N, that multiplied by this 4 right here. And I press on N again to enter it, because now N is equal to 26. Okay, the value of IY is 8. So we go 8 and we press IY and it's entered. IY is equal to 8. Present value 6290 negative. So we put in 6290. We click on plus minus, that makes it negative. And we click on PV and it is entered. PV is equal to negative 6290.00. The payment is 0 because you're not making periodic payments. So 0 for the payment. And then we are computing CPT future value. So the future value in this case is 10,000. You could put in a comma if you wish and put it like that, $10,525.80. And that would be the answer. Okay, so that is the answer that is being referred to here. Okay, so answer meaning the future value. All right, to the nearest cent. So let's, maybe we can copy and paste. That will eliminate any chance of error. And there we are. It may come up with some markers. No, okay, everything is fine. So here is what? Compounded quarterly. So this is 4. And this is 4 also. And this worked out to be 26. IY is 8. Present value, we said, okay, there was a problem up there. Present value, we said we would put it in as negative 6290. Okay. All right, and the payment is 0. All right, so we have those put in there, and if we submit, it is correct. And that is quiz 1, question number 3.